Firstly, when it comes to children, there are very few commercially available rubs for children specifically. And if you use an adult rub, it may contain stronger chemicals which have potential for skin irritation, and if it gets absorbed through the skin, there is potential for toxicity. So by and large, firstly, don't use an adult rub for a child. If there is a rub available specifically for children, it may be used, but it's more of a placebo effect more than of any genuine medical benefit.